Hi everyone, I'm Gareth and this is my colleague Gilly. We're both ex-primary school teachers and part of the education team with Clevertouch. And Clevertouch are really proud to announce the launch of the latest update to LYNX Whiteboard. That's our free to use presentation software, LYNX 8. 8 Reasons to Love LYNX 8 are the series of videos that you're now watching one of, and we hope you enjoy them.
Welcome to LYNX Whiteboard, and this is another reason why we love LYNX 8. So we're going to have a look at the pens and the gestures, and this is a great way of setting it up once when you're first in, and then you don't have to keep worrying about doing it, and you can tailor it to how you want it to be set up. So if I go into my little cog, into the options, I can go into my screen and my pens. I can then have multiple stylus, so I can use both ends of the pen and set it to various things. So I can just have a look. I've got one end and then turn it over. I've got the thick end there as well. I can also have my palm erase put on as well, so I can use my hand as an eraser, or I can have it just to reject any gesture from the palm, or I can just ignore it completely. So if I just put on, yep, I'm happy with that. My palm erase, yep, that's a nice size there as well. So I've got my 2 different gestures there with the pen and my palm erase. So now when I come back into my presentation, using the fine end of my nib, I can click on, I can choose the colour of my pen, I can set it there on the board there as well, happy with that. I'll maybe make it a little bit thicker. So I've got my pen set up, so now when I write, I've got my pen. When I turn it over, I'm going to have it that this part wants to be the little touch. So when I click on images, I can move them around. And then when I write, I've got the fine end there and I can move around still with that back end of the pen. I can also, because I set up my palm erase, I can use my hand just to erase that content there as well. So really quickly and easily, without having to keep clicking on here, doing it once and set it up how you would like to.